Okay, so today we're going to practice solving some story problems. So what we do when we first solve a story problem is we have to read the problem. So let's read this problem. It says Peter had 6 toy cars. Mike gave Peter some more toy cars. Then Peter had 13 toy cars in all. How many toy cars did Mike give Peter? Okay, so we first need to write our equation. Well, I know that the first sentence said Peter had 6 toy cars. So that's what I'm going to write first. I'm just going to write the 6 because I know Peter had 6 toy cars. Mike gave Peter some more toy cars. And this more is telling me that I'm adding because he's getting more. So I'm going to write the addition sign. But I don't know how many more he's getting. So I'm just going to write a blank because I don't know what this number is. Then it says, then Peter had 13 toy cars in all. So it all tells me that's how many he has altogether. So that's what the answer to the answer for my equation is. So my equation says 6 plus blank equals 13. Now it says, how many toy cars did Mike give Peter? So now I'm trying to figure out what number goes right here. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use my part whole. So I know that my first part is 6. So I'm going to draw my circle with my 6 in it. And let's think, I don't know what my second part is because they didn't tell me. They just said Mike gave Peter some more toy cars. They didn't tell me the number. So I'm going to leave my second part blank because I don't know what number goes in there. And then my whole is 13. So my first part, which is 6, and my second part, which I don't know what it is, these two numbers added together, because this symbol is telling me to add, has to equal 13. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 6 in my brain, and I'm going to draw dots counting on. So I'm going to put my pen on 6, so I'm going to count 6, and then I'm going to draw dots until I get to 13. And when I get to 13, I'm going to stop, because 13 is my answer. So I'm at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm at 13, so I'm going to stop. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to count all these dots to figure out what this part is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this answer right here is 7. So my missing number is 7. So how many toy cars did Mike give Peter? My answer is 7. So I hope that made sense. What you're going to do is I'm going to read you some other problems, and after I read it to you, you're going to pause it and you're going to solve the problem in your math notebook. So please make sure that you're writing your equation first, just like I did, and thinking about, okay, what do I need? Picking a strategy to solve it, I really recommend that you use the part whole strategy, and then writing your answer. So if you need some help, come back and listen at the beginning of this video because it will help you. All right, so your first problem, I hope you're ready. It says, Tess picked 7 flowers on Monday morning. In the afternoon, she picked some more flowers. If Tess picked 15 flowers in all, how many did she pick in the afternoon? So again, you're going to write your equation, figure out what you're looking for, pick a strategy, and write your answer. So pause this video while you solve it. You can always rewind it to listen to the problem again. All right, your next one. Jess gave out 8 cookies to girls in her class. She then gave out cookies to boys in her class. If Jess gave out 14 cookies in all, how many cookies did she give out to the boys? So pause the video and solve the problem. The next one, 10 clowns with blue hair were in a parade. Some clowns with red hair joined the parade. Then there were 21 clowns in the parade. How many clowns with red hair joined the parade? Your next one. 7 turkeys were on a farm. The farmer got some more turkeys. Then the farmer had 16 turkeys. How many more turkeys did the farmer get? All right, so you're going to pause the video and solve this problem. The next one. 9 big crabs were in a rock pool. Some little crabs came into the rock pool. Then there were 18 crabs in the rock pool. How many little crabs came into the rock pool? All right, so you need to pause this video and you need to solve the equation. When you're done with this last one, what I want you to do is I want you to put your name at the top of the paper, tear it out of your notebook and turn it into the tray, because I'm hoping that you actually worked really hard on solving these problems, so I want to see how you did on them. All right, good job.